What's going on today, guys? So first things first, today is Sunday, it is Father's Day, so any of you fathers out there, I want to wish you a happy Father's Day. So in today's video, we are going to be installing the Sinister Degass bottle that I have right here. So I'm going to have one of my buddies come over because I'm a little mobile right now. But we're going to go ahead and install that, take the old one off, and see how this beast works. But we'll get step-by-step instructions on how to install it in just a second. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go get some ELC coolant, so that way I have it for the truck, that way we can drain it and then refill it. All it is freaking 6 O's and 167. Clapped as always. Alright guys, so the first thing you need is you're going to need a 10mm socket, pair of pliers, and some coolant, that way you can refill it. So first thing first, we're going to go ahead and empty the coolant out of this so we can get the bottle off. The first thing is, you got to twist this thing right there. It's called the petcock, so you can get the coolant out. So you release all that out. So we're going to go ahead, wait until this gets out, and then we'll get back to you. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead with our socket and take the bottle off. That was on the ground now. Alright, so now we have to remove the hoses off of the bottle. So I can pull this down a little bit. Remove this hose. Let's close these open a little bit. Jesus. There's 2.
Just pull it out, fuck it.
Now there's 1 on the bottom too. Hopefully no coolant spews out. Big ass fucking thing in there.
Here, hold this. I already know what's happening. Oh, you snapped it. That's not good.
I didn't snap nothing.
The fucking the clear thing.
So we finally got it off. We got it plugged up with a little towel. Now we just got to put the new one on, and then we're good to go.
Yeah, there goes my dad going over, getting a big chunk of meat for the grill.
Grab that towel for me. You got those pliers?
Where are they? Right down here. Just connect it. Put it in the hole, and then we'll plier it up.
You got them pliers? The little ones?
Little ones?
Yeah, give me that one.
good over there?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's
So, move it down in there, like, the other way. Did you get under? Yeah. Use that wiring harness. Connected over here.
Oh, those holes bigger.
Oh, you know what I forgot? To take the things off the old one. Ugh. Can't forget these when you're putting it on. Just like pins. Oh, just like that. Flat up top.
You just put the other tools back in, the same tools.
No, I got new bottles. Cool. Then put the hoses back on.
I'm just ready.
Yep. So now we're good to go. We're gonna go ahead and fill it up. So we're gonna go ahead and fill it back up. Try to do it without foam. I think I need the foam.
Nothing wrong with spilling a little bit. You definitely didn't, yeah. I'll get rid of that tab. I would honestly just do one bottle because look, we didn't use much at all.
Fixing that boot, bud.
You give me that brake cleaner.
Little in cab, see how hot we get. I might have to add a little bit more to that bottle, but right now we're at 188. Oil's at 180. But when I get over to my girlfriend's house, we're gonna check it out and see if I need any more. It's getting a little hot, might need a little bit more. The bottle's a little bit bigger than the original OEM one, but we'll check that out in a second. Let me know down below. I know a bunch of you guys that watch me have 6.0s. I want to know what temps you guys are running and everything. So leave a comment down below and let me know the temps of everything that you guys got going on. And if you're bulletproofed or not. So we're good and we finally got the levels right. So there's basically where you want it to be. A couple of kids were asking what my sub setup looked like. So I have a 12-inch kicker L7, and then I have a box with two 10s that are Rockfords, but I'm not too sure what they are, but that's the setup. So this goes underneath the seat, and then I just keep that one seat up so I can put this one down. Show you like that. So it's pretty cool. It's a nice little setup, but it bumps. And then I have the head unit up front that you guys can see. Cleaning out the truck right now, but a couple of you were asking me, so I thought I'd just show you, but that's what it looks like in the back. I want to thank you guys for watching. We finally got it installed. Now all we got to do is start it up and see how it is. Definitely check out Sinister Diesel. I really appreciate them with everything they've done. The things that you're going to need for this, or you're going to need an 8mm. I know I said 10, but you're going to need 8mm and a pair of pliers to put this on. And if you want the Degass bottle cap, you will have to buy that separately, which is also on the website. So if you're going to pick up the Degass bottle, definitely pick up the cap as well with it. I want to thank you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.